Hey there, this is Rhonda K. I trust that you're having an excellent day. I want to talk to you about one skill, and I can do other videos on it, but I want to make this short. One skill that I'll talk about in this video that I've learned as far as digital marketing and making money online, and that is creating content. That wasn't technically taught to me in college, but by the time I graduated college, the internet wasn't as prevalent as it was back in, when I started doing this. I came online because I was desperate to make some money, and I had already worked a part-time job along with my full-time work, and it just wasn't bringing in the level of income that I needed, and I needed flexibility. I needed to be able to help my children late at night and, with their homework. And so I needed a change, and I also wanted to learn something different. Everyone knows me as education is the passport to success. I do love my work, I do love my job, and I love my career. Touched a lot of students and their parents' lives, yes and yes, and I wanted to still make more money because I just knew that I need to make more money and I need to learn some skill sets. So I was attracted to digital marketing, make money online is what they were calling it back then. But I was attracted to it because it was something different, and I didn't want it to be like typecast and the only thing that I can do is help kids in their graduate high school, go to college and get a college degree. So when I started creating content, that's videos. Videos is creating content. Then I learned how to blog. So not only did I learn how to blog and write on a daily basis, but I learned how to set up the blog, the behind the scenes thing. I learned how to post the video, the behind the scene things. There are people who shoot videos, and then there are people who edit the videos, and there are people who upload the videos. Not that I have this big glamorous type of online business, but I've learned how to do those behind the scene things and the front in the camera type of things. So video content, blogging. I learned how to write articles, so article marketing. So this is all content marketing, video marketing, blogging, article marketing, right? Then I learned how to post on social media. So that means I had to go and learn how to create images and make my own images and put quotes on images and colors on images, and how to create videos. And you go and get stock video, and all of that is creating content, and I love that part. So if there's one thing that I'm really good at, is creating content. So I'm not an altogether salesperson. I never really have been, but I will ask for the sale. I'll say, hey, click the link in the video description if you want to learn how to make money online, but there's no hardcore pressure or anything of that nature. But that's what I wanted to mention to you, a skill that I learned that is at the top of my list, and it wasn't easy in the beginning, and I was a little nervous about it because people will critique you, oh, you misspelled this word and all of that. So that kind of comes with the territory, but it really prepared me in a really great way, so much that I published my book a couple of years ago, and I believe that this content creation really put fire underneath my feet to create and write my own story. So I'm writing another book right now, and I have another program that I'm working on where it's more of a direct mail business, and so I'm actually creating a physical course that people will actually get in the mail. So I'm just really excited about that. So if I had to tell you one thing that you'll get out of this, is a new skill set on creating content, and I've been paid to do it. I helped a lady with she was running for the school board. I ran her social media page, posting content. I posted it 4 and 5 and 6 different posts a day, and I did that for her for about 65 days, and she paid me really well to do that. So when you learn how to create content, you can use it in your business, and you can freelance. There's a lot you can do. You can be promoted on your job, go into a totally different department. So there's some perks, yes? So if you want to know how to make money online, you want to know how to get jump started, click the link in the video description, look at those links, see what resonates with you, and let's get busy. Yes and yes. Hey, many blessings.